In this video, I will demonstrate Trusted Cloud by CyberHive. Trusted Cloud is a new cybersecurity technology co-developed with the University of Oxford. It makes use of advanced hardware cryptography and patented whitelisting techniques to detect cyber attacks and prevent cybercriminals from accessing the data on your servers. On the screen, you can see a live demonstration of our technology. Trusted Cloud is being used to monitor a total of 8 servers, which can be seen here on the left-hand side of the screen. In this case, we're using a monitoring tool called Kibana to display the status of our servers. However, any software can be used with this system, including standard monitoring tools such as Splunk, Alien Vault, or 100 others. The green bars at the top of the screen show that all of our servers in our configuration are currently trusted, i.e. there's no unwanted malware or unwanted programs running on these servers. For this demonstration, however, I'm going to show what would happen if just one of these servers is hacked. And the server I'm interested in is called VM1, so I'm going to filter this data to just show the trust status of this server by clicking on this link here. In this view, you can see that this server is still showing as trusted, and it's being checked by our verification software approximately every 30 seconds. The status is being verified by one of 3 servers, which are shown here on the right-hand side of our logging tool. Now I'm going to simulate an attack on this server. And in this case, I'm going to do that by running a simple Python script. With Trusted Cloud, what is happening behind the scenes is that every few seconds, our VM1 machine is compiling a list of all of the software that has been run on it. This is digitally signed using cryptographic hardware built onto the motherboard and then sent out to our selection of verification servers. They're comparing this list of what's actually running against a previously generated whitelist to see if any unauthorized software has been run. And in this case, you can very quickly see that the state of our server has gone from trusted to not trusted. We've detected that. Not only that, Trusted Cloud can pinpoint exactly where the offending software is sitting. You can see in the detailed list down here that there's a file called cyberhack2.py which has been run. This has been detected correctly as an unauthorized program. It's important to note that this is a bespoke hack that I've created just for the purposes of this demonstration. So although this script is of course not authorized to run on this server, no antivirus system on the planet would pick up this hack. If this were a real attack, the hacker would now be in our system and able to do whatever they want to harvest the important data on our server. With Trusted Cloud, however, you can guarantee that any unwanted software, no matter how it gets onto the server, will be identified in seconds. And this gives you the ability to shut down the cyber attack and stop the cyber criminals in their tracks before they can do any damage. Please take a look at our other videos where we can show how simple it is to create new servers and protect them in a few clicks using Trusted Cloud by CyberHive. And thank you for watching.